Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to do hard refresh on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar, type settings. Now move to settings. Here you can see system option, as you can see here. Click on it. Now scroll down a bit. You have to find recovery option. As you can see a recovery option. Click on it. Now you can see reset this PC. So after clicking on reset PC, you will see two options: keep my files as well as remove everything. In keep my files, you can keep certain files, your important files, to your computer, and everything will be vanished, and this will give a hard reset to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So after clicking on remove everything, uh, this will take you to two options: cloud storage, as well as if you want to install a new version. Then after clicking on it, you just click on restart now, and your PC will be booted up, and you will see a option of hard reset on your Windows 11. Now if you don't want to delete all files, click on reset PC, then click on keep my files. Now it will give you the local reinstall and cloud download. You can basically download from cloud version if you have online storage of your Windows 11, and you can also save your local files to your computer, and everything will be gets deleted. And that's it guys. Now you know how to do hard refresh on Windows 11. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.